Saturday, 8:30 in the morning. Last day really of Axialfest. Tomorrow's just kind of a teardown day. Got the booth all set up. Grab coffee and a muffin the size of my head. Get the day kicked off. It's 11:30. I'm gonna take a break from the booth and go try and find this rock racing course. See how those guys are doing.
Rush Cushway, aka Cush Dog, followed by Ford-tastic.
That was a good show, though.
Go.
BGR, baby, come out.
Oh no, focus, clap, happy, focus. If anybody has to battle it right now, you come down and go. Ever seen
Number 3 is third.
We got Torn Crazies in second, followed by Watercraft. Wow. We have a UC Fabulous on his one lap shootout.
They're just finishing up heat racing. They're gonna move on to finals now.
Hey, Craig, I know a guy who's embroidered.
This is the big dogs. This is a 2.2 open class. This is a 2-lap main event. Race fans, are you ready for this final main event of the day? Go! Wow! Blue Lightning sent it. We've got... Oh my goodness, I do not know what just happened. There's so much still flying through the air right there. I am looking for who's out front. What's on second? No, who's out front? And it's a 3-wheel drive. Well, that one is good.
Oh, no.
Get it,
get it.
We got Mad Fast Tommy Thompson out front. Oh, nice save. There it is.
I won? You won. Holy shit.
Nice.
Rock racing's always exciting. Good little track. Tore it up out there.
The top 3.
Stop.
What I want is Vanquish's next build. I want the ability to change the siren of the horn on you. And I want one of those as an option.
Hey, Paul, good to see you. Good to see you too. Your chicken is in my.
No, that's usually for weddings.
Jesus Christ, you're gonna get knocked out and cry like a girl.
You know the best part? No, that's usually for weddings.
Jesus Christ.
My wife's got two.
Alright, the next one.
Don't you have fun? Always. Hard not to. Probably go do a run while everyone's sitting there watching tickets.
Damn, that's the easiest I've ever had it. You didn't get her hit. I just hope I don't forget to take my cat. I'm gonna go right to the other neighbor's front door watch. You gonna go try those?
Yeah. So most people are at the raffle. I snagged those Proline Tweels. I'm gonna go do a trail quickly. I forgot bug spray, so I'm gonna try and move as fast as I can. This setup's definitely gonna be different. I'm narrower. I had steel brake discs on mine, so my balance is gonna be a little different. I lost the set pin out of the output side of my drive shaft. So now I have to hike back, grab the replacement, hike back up here, do this course again, because this course is actually pretty rad. But I also forgot bug spray, so not mad that I need to go back to the trailer. All right, round two, try this again. I'm done trailing for the night. Had a lot of fun. These Proline tires are fun. Something different. They're definitely performed different than a normal tire, but they have a lot of grip. They just don't have that sidewall wrinkle, which is a totally different experience. The side bite on them is actually phenomenal. You wouldn't think that a tire with no sidewall would be like that, but it's definitely one of their stronger suits. Great for side hilling. It wouldn't be the tire I'd put on my comp rig, at least not for all situations, but it's absolutely a tire I'd own. Just for the cool factor. For the last night of the event, this was a good finish to it. These trails are pretty beautiful. It sounds like the awards ceremony's still happening right now. My overall thoughts on Axialfest this year have been positive. I've had a lot of fun. It's a new location which has its struggles. There isn't as much camping, which I can see how it could have an effect on attendance. But there's accommodations nearby as well. So next year, if you don't have to camp, I'd find something close by and plan on making it, if it's here, which I'm guessing with how everything went that it will be, just because it was a great event. People had fun. The terrain here is amazing. It's the best terrain that we've had. But the courses are further away from where you're camping, so that side's kind of a bummer. But there is a shuttle that takes you to the top trails, which makes everything great. I wish the shuttle maybe ran later into the night. That's about it. Overall, with attending the past 3 Axialfest, this being my 4th or 3rd, I don't remember which one, I would definitely plan on it again. It's worth the trip to California no matter where you're at. This will be the last Axialfest vlog this year. Tomorrow's just tear down and go home. And we're mainly torn down, so that's good news. Thanks again for watching, guys. See you next year.